I love cotton grass. Look, here's where the seeds are coming out of the cotton grass seed head. I love cotton grass blondes. Fingertip kiss. Oh hey, oh hey, ah, ah, oh, hey, hey. Cotton grass bog. Old Five Ponds. Hey, oh, hey, oh, oh, hey. First time I've been back in the old Five Ponds for a long time. I still see a dragonfly going out through there. Oh, 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 I see a next thing to first quarter moon right through there. Oh, hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh, hey. Back we go to the waiting sled load. Came down here to the old Five Ponds to get my wall tent. It's been cached back in the bush for many a moon. Oh, hey, oh, hey, hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh, hey. That way. It's back to civilization. That way. Back where the trail ends and the wilderness begins. Hey, oh, hey, ha, oh, hey, oh, hey, ha. Wall tent. Stayed dry in my little garbage can. Many a moon. Ah, 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 hey, oh, hey, oh,